everyone and welcome to my channel of all things makeup. How are we today? If you like what you see and you want to be kept up to date with my new content, please hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's body paint with two little guys that you might recognise if you went through a bit of an emo or a goth phase like me. Not sure that I grew out of it, to be honest. Right, let's get to it. Firstly, I'm going to start off with the stenciling, and you can use a white pencil or a red pencil like me, normal eyeliner pencil. I prefer the red just as if I make any mistakes I kind of blend it in. Make sure it's sharpened and off we go. Let's change that over there so I can see my reference picture. And now, let's go. Now that I'm happy with the stencil, I'm going to put my base colour down with the paints. I'm going to use a seaweed sponge, mainly because I just love the texture and the coverage that it gives. Gotta get in every nook and cranny, don't want any skin showing. What I'm trying to create here is a bit of a gradient, so it's darker on the outside and as it gets to the middle, it goes lighter. Now I'm going to go in with purples and pinks and a little bit of red just to give this a bit more vibrancy. Now I'm going to go with a light blue around the centre of the body paint, fading it out into the colours. Going to give it this nice glow effect and bring the focus point to this area. So now I'm going back in with the light blue just to brighten up the centre of the body paint. Just applying light pressure so it blends nicely with the colours that we already have on there.
For the text, I want it to be quite jagged and sketchy, so I'm wiggling my brush to create movement and the desired effect.
So now I'm going to create more lines around each letter just to emphasise that sketchy kind of look. Now we're going to get into the characters. I'm using a flat brush just so I can get really sharp edges. Really want to make them pop. So now I'm just going to do the little details. Does anyone else hold their breath as they're doing things like this? It's like, it's done. Okay, so now that I've got the base colours down, I'm going to go in with shadow to add definition and just to give them a bit more life and a bit more form. So to finish the characters, I'm going to outline them and add their little smiles. To really make these characters pop, I'm going to add white little highlights. So I'm thinking light source is coming from this way, so the highlights are going to be around these areas. Same as what I thought about with the shadows.
I'm adding white highlights to the text, just so they stand out more.
So now that I'm happy with the body paint, I'm going to now move on to my face makeup. I've already got my base on, so I'm going to start with my eyes.
For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use the same base tones on the body paint, and we can't not add a big graphic bold liner.
So now that my eye makeup is on, it's time to finish the look with lashes and a bold lip.
And here is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!